Hey, so you've got your PIN Genie Smart Lock installed on your door, and you've got it set up to where you can use the pins, and you've got the alarm set and everything like that. But the nice thing about the PIN Genie Smart Lock Pro is that you have the ability to use your phone to unlock it and to make codes and things like that. So let's download the app and see what all of that entails in this video. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Gross Tech, bringing you the best reviews for your home technology. If you enjoy that kind of thing, reviews, news, and unboxings on smart home tech or just tech you find around the home, please consider subscribing and check out our other videos down below. Alright, so now that we've got it installed and set up, we want to take a look at how to use the app. And so let me scoot on over here, so that way you can see the screen will be right here of what my phone shows. Make sure in your packet of your instructions you should have this little card, and on this card has a code and everything. And so let's follow on the screen what we're supposed to do here. If you go to your app home, or it's also on the Google Play Store, if you look and type in PIN Genie at the top, so you go scroll down here, and right here's the PIN Genie Smart Lock. I'll go ahead and re-download it. Okay, now that you have it installed, go ahead and open it up, and you will be greeted with a bunch of allows. Do you want it to notify you? So we'll just go through it. Yes, yes. Alright, so this is the first time that you've set it up. You're going to need to register, but you want to make it in master mode, as you see here. There's master mode, family mode, and visitor mode. Well, this is your home, so you're the master. So go ahead and hit master mode. This is where you're going to sign it up and do everything like that. Now I've already got an account, so I can go ahead and log in down at the bottom, but you'll follow the prompts. It'll send you an email with a PIN code that you enter, and it'll register you to that. So let's sign in. And so here is my lock. Now when you're setting everything up, there's gonna be a code on the back of your card, the initial code, and it's gonna ask for that. So go ahead and put that in, and you'll be able to set up your device. So if we open up the device, it searches for the lock to make sure your Bluetooth is on. There is mine. It will beep, which is a little bit annoying, and then you go ahead and go in. Congratulations, you can start using it, and it connects, and we show that it is locked right now. You can hit it and it will unlock. You can hit it and it will relock. So let's take a look at what settings you're able to do. This is somewhat annoying that it makes you always put in your password, so let's hit remember password and get past that. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we've got the lock name up at the top. You've got your change your door code. That is a code that you can just set up for it. You can just go in and change whatever code that you want to be yours. The sync time is just syncing the time on the clock on your phone to it. Updates, right now everything's up to date. Alarm sensitivity settings, you can change that here on the fly. The PG widget faster access. Now this is something that I think is pretty awesome. If you go ahead and checkbox it, and then go ahead and hit the arrow next to it, it'll give you a rundown on how to exactly do this, but we'll do this really quickly. If you're on your screen and you swipe left on the iPhone, this is your widget page, and you scroll all the way to the bottom and hit edit. Now there'll be PIN Genie Smart Lock. As you can see, I've already added it, but yours will be down here. Go ahead and just hit the plus button, and it'll bring it up here, and it'll be there, which is really nice to be able to say your phone's on lock and you bring it up. You can swipe left, hit the unlock the door, put in your thumbprint, and it unlocks the door. Nice and easy, and you don't have to deal with trying to fumble around and find it. The other thing is, in the settings, you have direct entry, which is what I did, where you don't have to enter your password every single time. Time zone, under more settings, you can pair it again, remove it, or reset the lock. Now, one thing that you can do is you can do permissions. Right now I have one family member. I can delete it or add another one. So what we'll do is we'll add a new user, be it your wife or your kids or your grandparents or anybody. Add a new user. Now you can have it be a temporary user to where the code only works for so long. You can have it to be a new family member, which will be a continual user. So we'll just put wife, and we'll say the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Done. So now that code that you see down there is the family code. It's your E code, which is what they need to have to be able to download the app, and they enter this in, and you're able to use the smart lock from your phone just like you would yourself, but they will be able to do it as well. You can share it now, which takes you to be able to, email it or send it in a message. But there you go, an easy way of adding somebody. Now, temporary user, same idea. You put the guest name. You can have what expiration date, to where when it starts and when it ends. You can have a welcome note to that. So that's more so if you want to use it for an Airbnb and be able to give that code out to somebody, your new guest that's going to be coming and staying at the place, and have it to where it only works from when they are actually allowed to be in the house and when they are not supposed to be in the house. So it's nice to be able to have that all set up, and like I said, it's easy to set up, it's easy to use. You do have to be within Bluetooth, as you see it connects to it. So it's nice to be able to just drive in the driveway. Your phone will get a notification saying that you're close. Would you like to unlock it? And then you can just unlock it straight from your phone. So it gives you the history. You can show who it was that did the unlocking. We've done it a lot so far. But it gives you not just who does it with the phone, but who does it with a physical key, who does it with a keypad. So it's really nice to be able to see all the history, just for security wise. You can see who's coming in, who's coming out, when it was used, and everything like that. So that is the gist and easy way to set up your smart lock. You can have multiple things. You can have a password for the app. You can quick access to unlock, which is what I was talking about. It pushes a notification when you become in Bluetooth range of the lock to just unlock it quickly. You can change your password, do all that. You can also add new locks if, say, you were going to have multiple Airbnb places. You can do that all from one phone. So it's really nice to be able to have that ability. Hey, so there you go. An easy way to set up the Bluetooth and the app for the Smart Lock by PIN Genie. And really, it's been amazing and great to have around here on the house. It makes it a lot more secure and easy to use, and you don't have to really worry about somebody just being able to hack it in and get into your house. So I really enjoy having the PIN Genie Smart Lock, and I know you guys would too. Links are down in the description where you can find more information, or if you would like to purchase the PIN Genie lock itself. Also, up here on either side you will see our setup, how to unbox it, how to install it, how to set it up, and now you know how to use the app. So one of these boxes here will show you how to do that. So my name is Josh with Gross Tech. Again, thanks for watching. God bless you guys, and have a great week. Bye.